This is actually from the last album, The River and the Thread, and this is called A Feather's Not a Bird.
1, 2.
Florence, gonna wear a pretty dress and sit atop the magic wall with the voices in my head. Then we'll drive on through to Memphis past the strongest shows and on to Arkansas just to touch the gumbo soul. A feather's not a bird, the rain is not the sea, a stone is not a mountain, but a river runs through me. There's never any highway when you're looking for the past. The land becomes a memory and it happens way too fast. All the money's all in Nashville, the lights inside my head. So I'm going down to Florence just to learn to love the thread. A feather's not a bird, the rain is not the sea, a stone is not a mountain, but a river runs through me. Up 7 lives and I used up all my charms. I took the long way home just to end up in your arms. Yeah. That's why I'm going down to Florence. Now I got my pretty dress. I'm gonna let the magic wall put the voices in my head. Is not the sea, a stone is not a mountain, but a river runs through me. A feather's not a bird, the rain is not the sea, a stone is not a mountain. A feather's not a bird, the rain is not the sea, a stone is not a mountain, but a river runs through me.
You are listening to Rosanne Cash live on the home stretch here on KXCI from historic Hotel Congress. Rosanne in town this evening playing at the